Hi everyone, this is Jared, Alpha Charlie 7 Whiskey Hotel, Backyard Ham Radio. This is inside my Palstar HF-AUTO antenna tuner. So you're supposed to do yearly maintenance on these to re-grease them with a special mix of lithium grease and graphite. And I figured I'd take this opportunity to show you what it looks like inside this. Now it is powered up with the 13.8 volts, but I am not running any RF to this, obviously, because it is opened up here. But check that out. I mean, that's what you call a capacitor. Wow, look at that thing. And this is what it looks like when it is being tuned. Here's another angle as I'm tuning back. There you go. That looks like the front end of an engine or something. Oh, fun times, fun times. So now let's take a look at the inductor coil. So I'm going to go ahead and set this still in manual mode over to the inductor. Now let's see if I can do this switching hands for holding the phone here. Okay, here we go. So this is producing, I presume, less inductance because the numbers on the display are getting smaller as I do that. I started out in the 500s, now I'm in the 300s, and I'll keep going. Just about to the end there. There it is. All right, well, let's see if I can show you kind of some of these other connections in here. There's some of the wires between the capacitor and the inductor, some of the wiring, and then of course over to the circuit boards. We've got various relays and all sorts of things back there. Toroids. There's some other angles down there for the front display. So I am supposed to clean off that grease there on that bar with some isopropyl alcohol. And then you can use deoxit on the coil itself there. Not much maintenance needed on the capacitor, if any at all, so I'm not going to touch it. But something else fun, I'm hoping to include this in one of my upcoming videos. I finally got a lithium iron phosphate battery with 100 amp hours. So we'll see how that goes, maybe a few videos from now. But in the meantime, I'm planning to grease this up and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and 73.